Are you looking to integrate GoTo Resolve with your existing IT infrastructure but aren't sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the essential steps you need to take to seamlessly connect GoTo Resolve with your current IT systems, and stick around, because by the end, I'll introduce you to some powerful alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your needs. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll want to do is assess your current IT infrastructure. GoTo Resolve integrates easily with most systems, but understanding your existing environment is crucial. Are you working with cloud-based platforms? Are you using any specific tools for ticketing or management? By identifying these components, you can ensure that GoTo Resolve will mesh well with what you already have in place. Next thing, once you've assessed your infrastructure, the next step is to set up GoTo Resolve. The integration itself is designed to be straightforward, but you'll need to decide whether you want to deploy it on your network or through a cloud environment. Setting up the software typically involves creating an account, configuring the user interface, and deciding on access levels for your team members. Once you've done that, you'll be able to start using it right away. The third thing you need to focus on is your existing support and ticketing systems. GoTo Resolve comes with native integrations for popular ITSM tools. If you're already using platforms like ServiceNow or Jira, you can sync these with GoTo Resolve for streamlined workflows. However, not all integrations are flawless, and some users report occasional syncing issues that may require additional troubleshooting, so be prepared to test and tweak as needed. The fourth thing is automation. GoTo Resolve offers various automation options to help speed up your IT operations, from ticketing workflows to notifications and escalations. It can be quite helpful in reducing response times, but be mindful that automation doesn't always address every issue. In some cases, you might need to manually intervene, especially with complex issues that the automation wasn't programmed to resolve. Now, let's talk about security. GoTo Resolve offers strong security features, including encrypted communications and role-based access controls. But when integrating any third-party tool into your IT infrastructure, it's important to make sure it doesn't create new vulnerabilities. Always perform security audits after integration and ensure that the tool doesn't compromise your existing security protocols. Finally, while GoTo Resolve is a solid option, it may not be the best fit for every organization. Its simplicity is one of its strong points, but if you have a larger, more complex IT environment, you may find it lacking in advanced features or scalability compared to other solutions. That's why I'll mention a few alternatives toward the end of the video that might actually be a better match depending on your goals. As a bonus, we've partnered with GoTo Resolve to offer an exclusive and extended free trial for our viewers. But if you're not convinced by GoTo Resolve or want to explore other options, I've got some amazing alternatives lined up for you, each with its own free trial, too. So, through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Check it out now and make the right decision for your IT infrastructure.